We're here for the experience.
That guy is too. Peter, what are you here for?
I'm just here for the free beer and the good time.
Is this us? 115?
Yeah, no, we weren't going to give you away. First obstacle, patience. All right, sweet.
Let me document this moment real quick. Yes, just in case some of you don't make it back.
Put on that side.
The graveyard bell? Light work, right? It's metal?
Over.
Peter Harris. Heavier than I thought.
I'll say by you have leverage. Now, huh?
Yeah.
Got him.
There goes my shoes. Where's the wall? Now the mud.
Yeah, you feel like up for it. Yeah, I'm up for it. Always my fault.
That's just that also dropped at that.
No, I don't. How do you get down?
Get down, there you go.
Yeah.
Ooh. Where we at?
Get that next run. One more run. Nice. Just get a rhythm going and hold that rhythm. Slow it down.
Oh, that was close.
I don't.
Oh. Tap.
All right, how many bags are you going to do today?
Whoa.
What's the record?
4.
I'll do 1. Just like the colonial days.
Yeah. Oh, wider than heavy?
What's the weight on these? 30?
I have no idea.
You bet.
Hit it, Peter.
Appreciate it.
Like a little ninja warrior here.
Oh, sure, right. Yeah, you got the last. You can reach the other one. Yeah. Okay.
Oh no. Being tall got some advantages. Oh.
Okay, we're fine.
Electric eel.
All right, so yeah, just plug it back into the wires. Yeah. Jump start me again.
Oh yeah. You can feel it. It'll wake you up. Halfway.